Hi, all my children. Good morning. I'm Kathy Auntie, and you and me are going to have a lot of fun together. So, every day now, we are going to learn some new things together. We're going to sing some songs together, and we're going to read new books together. So, I hope you're all excited, and it'll be fun. It'll be amazing time together. So let's start. Let's begin. Again, my name is Kathy Auntie, and let's begin with first breathing in and out. Okay, calming our body, getting ready to learn something new. Okay, so let's close our eyes, sit straight. Now breathe in, breathe out from your mouth. Breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now slowly open your eyes. Good job. Now rub your palms together. Rub, rub. Now put it on your eyes. Now slowly take it off. Rub your palms together. Rub, rub, and put it on your ears. Like that. Rub your palms together and put it on your mouth. Okay. Now I think everyone is calm and ready to listen to a story. So that today I'm going to tell you a story about the very cranky bear. Look at him. He looks so angry. He's like, he's very cranky. You know what cranky means? He's a bit annoyed. He's little angry. But why is he angry? What happened? Do you want to know? Let's read this book. So this book is written by Nick Bland. He's the author. He wrote this book. The Very Cranky Bear. Look at this. Can you see there's a big cave and these four animals have come inside the cave. Let's read it. In the jingle jangle jungle on a cold and rainy day, four little friends found a perfect place to play. Moose had marvelous antlers. Can you see his antlers? They're marvelous. Look at them, so big. And Lion a golden mane. He has a golden mane. Zebra had fantastic stripes. Look at zebra's stripes. What are they? They're black and white. He has beautiful stripes. And sheep? Well, sheep was rather plain. Look at that. Sheep look just plain. Let's see what happens now. None of them had noticed that someone else was there. Someone else is in the cave. Who's that? Sleeping in that cave was a very cranky. Let's see. Look, they're playing cards. There's a very cranky bear. Look at him. Roar, and the cranky bear. Roar, roar, roar. See, he's roaring. And because it's a cave, you can hear the echo. So it's so loud. He gnashed his teeth and he stomped his feet. And he chased them out of the door. He says, go away. I don't want you here. Go away. Look at that. So in the jingle jangle jungle on the cold and rainy day, four little friends had nowhere to play. Now all of them are chased out. They have nowhere to play now. Wait a minute, said the zebra as she scratched her furry chin. Maybe if we cheered him up, he'd let us come back in. He says, let's cheer him up. Just because he's cranky, he's not letting us in. Let's cheer him up. It'll be fun. If I did not have my stripes, said Zebra, I'd be cranky too. We should give that bear some stripes. And that's what we should do. He says, I have a good idea. Stripes are silly, Moose complained. Especially on a bear. My antlers always cheer me up. Let's give a bear a bear. Let's give him some antlers, said the moose. No, said the lion. Antlers are a bore. A golden mane like mine, he said, would cheer him up for sure. He says, let's give him a golden mane. That's going to cheer him up. What do you think? What's going to cheer him up? Do you think bear needs that? Look at that sheep. He's like, I'm not sure of that. Look at her face. So Zebra fetched a tin of mud and Lion some grass of gold. Look, they're all getting something. Moose got big branches and sheep just got gold. They all have a plan and they're all going inside the cave. The sheep stayed outside and she's getting wet. Sheep was a bit worried. Where are my friends? Look, she's worried. They're being eaten up for sure. It's like, oh my God. For sure they're eaten up. And then from the cave, there came a very cranky roar. And look, all of them are running. Zebra, lion, moose and the bear were right behind them. They hid behind the bushes where they hoped he wouldn't find them. They're running, they're hiding because they don't want the bear to see him. And look at the bear. He's got the stripes, he's got the mane, he's got the moose, the branches too, as the antlers. Why is he still cranky? He's got antlers, stripes and mane. Before we gave him those, Lion said, he looked rather plain. Why is he still happy? He's not happy. Why? They're wondering. Look at that. The bear is angry. Look at that. He's shouting at the sheep. As Bear stormed back inside the cave, he turned and roared at sheep. All I really want, he said, is a quiet place to sleep. That's all he wants. He wants to go to sleep. Look. What is the sheep doing? What is she up to? So she fetched a pair of clippers and she clipped her half of wool. She stuffed it in a cotton bag until the bag was full. She clipped it, she put it in a bag. Now what did she do? She tiptoed back inside the cave. Excuse me, Bear, she said. Would you like a pillow for underneath your head? Oh, that's so thoughtful. Look at that. She made a pillow for the bear. And her friends are watching. Look at them. Well, thank you very much, said the bear, and soon he fell asleep. Maybe he was dreaming of plain but rather a thoughtful sheep. See? Now he's happy. He's dreaming of the thoughtful sheep, maybe, because she's thoughtful. Did you like this book? Yes? It's called The Very Cranky Bear. And I like it. I like all the animals. I like how they chose bear. But if it was you, do you wonder which animals you would have chosen? I think I would have chosen maybe a tiger instead of a zebra for stripes. Or maybe we can choose like a giraffe with his long neck and the patches. Maybe instead of the moose. We can always think different, right? Yeah. So this is the book today that we read, and I love how you were all listening. I'm very happy that you were listening.